In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shape dividers in Wix, a fantastic way to enhance your website's design with creative and professional touches. Shape dividers can serve as stylish transitions between sections or simply add a unique flair to your site. Let's dive in and learn how to utilize this feature effectively. To begin with, you'll need to select the section or strip where you'd like to place a shape divider. Simply click on the section within your Wix editor. This is where the magic begins and your design can take a new creative turn. Next, look for the Shape Dividers icon in the menu that appears. Clicking this will open up the Shape Dividers menu, giving you access to a range of design possibilities. This is your gateway to adding aesthetic dividers to different parts of your website layout. Now it's time to decide where you'd like your divider to be placed. You have the option to place it at the top or the bottom of the section. Depending on your design needs, this choice will help in creating a seamless visual flow on your page. After selecting the placement, you can explore the selection of pre-designed shapes offered by Wix. There are various shapes to choose from, such as waves and ellipses, each bringing its own vibe to your design. If nothing catches your eye immediately, you might want to click on the Plus More Shapes option. This will reveal additional options and even allow you to upload your own custom SVG file. Just keep in mind that the custom SVGs should be closed shapes, have a single opacity level, and be no larger than 250 KB to ensure they integrate well with Wix. With your divider selected, let's move on to customization. This step is where you can fine-tune the appearance of your shape divider. You can adjust the color to match your website's color scheme, tweak the height for the perfect fit, and adjust the horizontal offset to line things up just right. Additionally, you have the option to flip the shape horizontally or vertically, which can make a significant difference in the overall design and dynamic of your site. The customization options are contingent on the shape you choose, so don't hesitate to experiment and see what works best for your design vision. By following these steps, you can effortlessly integrate unique shape dividers into your Wix site, enhancing both its visual appeal and professional finish. Experimentation is key, so feel free to explore different combinations until you achieve a look that resonates with your brand style. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!